Unlock the mystery of the mass shot in pool. Hello, English enthusiasts and aspiring pool sharks. Today, we're diving into the world of billiards to uncover the meaning behind a fascinating phrase, mass shot. Whether you're a language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or a cue sports fan aiming to understand game jargon, this video is for you. So, grab your virtual cue stick. Let's chalk up some knowledge. When we talk about a mass shot in pool or billiards, we're referring to a highly skilled technique. This shot involves hitting the cue ball with the cue stick held at a sharp vertical angle. The purpose? To create a significant spin on the ball, which causes it to curve in an arc instead of traveling in a straight line. The term masse originates from French, meaning mace, which in the history of cue sports was a term for the club-like implements used before the modern cue stick came into existence. It signifies the powerful and precise nature of this shot. A mass shot is typically used in tricky situations. Imagine the cue ball is blocked by another ball, and you can't hit your target ball in a straight line. A mass shot could save the game by curving around the obstacle. However, it's not for the faint of heart. It requires practice, skill, and a deep understanding of physics. To execute a mass shot, the player must understand the mechanics. It involves striking the cue ball off-center with a forceful, downward stroke, causing the ball to spin backward on its axis while moving forward. The friction between the ball and the cloth leads to a curved trajectory. It's a marvel of spin and speed, geometry and grace. For English language learners, the phrase, mass shot, offers a perfect example of how specific terminology can be in hobbies and professions. Learning such phrases enriches your vocabulary, making it more colorful and precise. Plus, it's a peek into the cultural aspects of language, such as sports, that often reflect a society's history and character. The mass shot is more than just billiards parlance. It's a linguistic gateway to understanding the precision and artistry of English as it relates to sports. We hope this video has given you a clear insight into this intriguing phrase and maybe even sparked an interest in the game of pool. Keep practicing your English, and who knows, perhaps you'll be calling your shots in both language and billiards with equal finesse. Until our next linguistic adventure, happy learning, and rack 'em up!